Greetings, my people. The wounded civilian is back again to talk about some political matters. The problem Nigeria is facing today. If you go to Nigeria today, you will see all kinds of groups agitating for their freedom. Protests everywhere. Some people are thinking it is because of the bad government. Yes, it is because of the bad government. Some people also think it is because of some tribe have been neglected. Yes, it is because of some tribe have been neglected. But the first problem, to me, the major reason why we are hearing of agitation everywhere, it is because of religion. And that is what I am here today to talk about. Religion is our problem in Nigeria. It's the biggest problem we are facing in Nigeria. Why? I will tell you. The North, the Muslim in the North and the Christian in the South. With the Muslims in the North and the Christian in the South, Nigeria cannot work. It cannot work. We have different kinds of Muslims. Muslims are good people. I'm not trying to disrespect or insult their religion. No. Muslims are good people. We have good Muslim, we have bad Muslim. Just like in Christianity, we have good Christian and we have bad Christian. But the kind of Muslims we have in Nigeria, the kind of Muslim we have in Nigeria, and the Christians we have in Nigeria, to match them together to make one country, Nigeria, it will not work, because the kind of Muslim we have in Nigeria is the kind of 14th century kind of Muslims. And those are the kind of Muslims who produce terrorists. They call them the Sunnis. Not all Sunnis are bad, but the kind of Muslim, like the ones we have in Nigeria, who still believe, who want to still live the life their Prophet Muhammad lived in the 14th century, and the Christians in the North, Nigeria will not work. Yes, Nigeria will not work. They want Sharia law. They want Sharia law, but they don't know how to preach it. They don't know how to implement it, because it has become a problem for them. They are Muslim. They know that for you to be a good Muslim, you have to practice Sharia law. And the Nigerian Muslim, that's what they want. But it's a problem. They can't just bring Sharia law into our constitution. It will not work. The SAT will go. So they have been stuck. They are confused now. So that's why the whole nation is confused. They will come and tell you the Boko Haram, those terrorists like ISIS and the others, they are not Muslim. That is a lie. Those Boko Haram, those ISIS, Al-Qaeda, Hezbollah, they are the real Muslims. They are the people, they are the Muslims who practice Sharia. So that's why sometimes you see them killing their fellow Muslim, because some people will come and tell you they are not Muslim. Those terrorists, those Boko Haram are Muslim. Can't you see they have killed more Muslims than Christians? No. These Boko Haram people, they are the real Muslim. The Muslims they kill, they see them as traitor. If you are a Muslim and you are not practicing Sharia, you are as guilty as the Christian. You are as guilty as the infidel. That's why they kill them. So the Nigerian Muslim, they want to practice Sharia law, but they don't know how to put it in our constitution. They know if they put it, Nigeria will scatter. People, many regions will go their own separate way. That is the confusion. That is the problem we are all in Nigeria. That's why Nigeria will not work. The only way is for every region, like the Muslims, let them go and practice their Sharia law. Let them go and create their own country so they can practice their Muslim very well. Let the South go. The way we are together now, the way we are doing, that's why things are not working for us. We are all stuck. We are all confused, because any country who practice Sharia law, they are backward. Any Muslim country who want to practice Sharia law, they are confused. They are backward, because they will be living the life of 14th century. So if you are sharing the same country with these people, you are all confused. That's why Nigeria is. We are all confused there. We don't know what we are doing. That's why there is no government that will work. It is not the fault. I know Buhari is tribalistic, but it is not the fault of Buhari. It is the fault of the religion. That's why you see in the North today, when you disrespect their religion, they will kill you. They value Muslim religion, the laws that guides them in their religion more than the laws, more than the Nigerian constitution. That's why they behead they will kill you, they will cut off your head if you disrespect their religion in their northern state. Every northern state you go, that's what they do. The other day they said somebody urinates very close to the mosque. They killed that person. So why can't you people? The other day, listen, they said the northern youth, they were issuing a quick notice to the north. They said all kinds of things against they were issuing quick notice to the Igbos. They said the Igbos should leave their land. They said all kinds of things against the Igbos. But that is not my problem. They are free to say anything. Igbos can still, call them names too. But one thing they said that is very important. They said this Nigeria is not, have not favored any tribe. They said they are tired of it also. That they should even divide Nigeria, let everybody go their separate way. That is what I pick. That's what I pick. So issuing the Igbos a quick notice is not the way. Let them go out there, go and protest. Just like what the Igbos are doing now. You go and protest. Tell your government you are tired. So that they will hurry up and call for referendum and let everybody go their own separate way. Issuing quick notice to the Igbos, you are instigating war like that. No, if you are really tired, since you said the Nigeria, have not favored you people, have not favored any tribe in Nigeria, then go out there and demonstrate. That's what you used to do when power was, when Jonathan was the president. You were all demonstrating that you need your Muslim brother there. Then go out there and go and demonstrate. Don't stop issuing a quick notice to the Igbos or other tribe. You go out, they go and demonstrate. Tell your government you are tired. You want Nigeria to be divided so that everybody can go their own separate way. With the religion, the Muslim religion in the north and the Christian religion in the south, Nigeria will not work. I am not saying all Christians are good, but I just want to focus on the Muslim because they are the people who is more violent. Than the Christians in the south. It will not work because the Bible says, how can a man say he loves God and hate his brother? God that which you have not seen. God you have not seen. How can you claim you love God and hate your brother and you kill your fellow brother? So you cannot kill. If you can kill because of God whom you have not seen, you are for the devil. You are for the devil. This Prophet Muhammad or even Jesus Christ we are all talking about today. Have you one day sit down and think if it is fake? If maybe a group of people like you just write forth the story to come and deceive you? One thing that you're supposed to have in your mind is there is God, the creator of heaven and earth. Don't kill because of prophet. Don't kill because you want to please your prophet or you want to please your God. That is the reason why Nigeria will not work with the Muslims in the north and the Christians in the south. Let's divide this country. Let's support the Igbos. Let's support the Igbos so that every religion can go their own separate way. Create your own Islam religion. Nobody will come and disturb you. Because any Muslim who don't practice Sharia is not a real Muslim. That is what these terrorists, these Boko Haram people are talking about. That's why they keep, look at the last video the Boko Haram released. They said, don't turn us a traitor. That they should come and join them so that they can implement Sharia law. They can conquer the whole nation and let everybody succumb to Sharia law by force. That is what they were saying. Go and watch the video. So for that simple reason, let everybody go their own separate way so that the North can go and create their own Islamic and live the life of this 14th century, the kind of life Muhammad lived. So that we can at least move forward too. Let us create our own kind of country that the kind of country that will give us liberty. This Nigeria was forced on us by this useless Lord Lugard who created Nigeria and gave the name Nigeria. We are not Nigeria. We are not one Nigeria. They keep telling us, deceiving us, one Nigeria. We are not one Nigeria. Don't blame these people that is agitating for Biafra. They have been neglected. They have been violated. You don't, somebody that you have been pushed to war, the person must react. So let us stop blaming the Igbos. Let us reason together and demonstrate, tell our government we don't want this Nigeria. Nigeria is a fraud. We don't want it. Let everybody go their own separate way. That is the major reason I am making this video. Is to tell the youth, get up, go and protest that you don't like Nigeria. Let us destroy this Nigeria. Let every region go their own separate. At least for 20 years. The Germans did it before. Let everybody go their own separate way. And maybe after 20 years, we can come back together if we like. But for now, let everybody go their own separate. This Nigeria is not working for anybody. Just like what this outside youth said. The Nigeria is not working for anybody. Let everybody go their own separate ways. Thank you.